So let us discuss doing philosophy. So first question, when did philosophy begin? Philosophy begins in man's sense of wonder. According to the first philosophers, Thales, Anaximander, Plato, Socrates, Anaximenes, and many other philosophers in the ancient times, searched for the basic stuff of the cosmos. According to them, the fundamental questions, according to the first philosophers, it was why there are things passing and coming into being. So bakit may dumadating, bakit naman nawawala. So it started with man's sense of wonder, yung pagkamangha ng mga tao na nagtanong sila kung bakit dati may puno dito, bakit ngayon wala na, bakit wala naman dati nito, bakit ngayon meron na. So naroon yung sense of wonder ng mga tao, and doon nagsimula yung philosophy, doon sa sense of wonder. Why there are things passing and coming into being. That sense of wonder of the first philosophers, they search for the basic stuff of the cosmos. So what is the origin of the universe? So what is the origin of the cosmos? What is the origin of the world? So many philosophers, particularly in the ancient times, search for the basic stuff of the cosmos. Like for example, Pythagoras, according to him, the basic stuff of the cosmos was number. The ad infinitum of number. Walang katapusang pagbibilang. Walang katapusang numero. Tuloy-tuloy. Pag nasimula naman sa 0, 1, 2, 3, tuloy-tuloy yan. Walang katapusan. At yun ang basic stuff. Yun daw ang origin number. So, sabi naman ni Thales, the basic stuff of the cosmos was water. So doon nagsimula sa tubig, gawa daw ng moist. So nung magtanong yung mga tao, yung mga first philosophers, doon nagsimula yung philosophy. Nung magtanong, bakit ganito namangha? Ba't ganyan? Why there are things passing and coming into being? Wala naman dati, pero bakit meron na? So, doon nagsimula ang philosophy. Next, where did philosophy originated? Saan ang galing? Philosophy was originated in ancient Greece in the 16th century. So, as I have said, the first philosophers, the ancient philosophers, are Thales, Anaximander, Pythagoras, Plato, Socrates, and many more. How did the philosophy begin? So it begins with the man's sense of wonder. Particularly, the first philosophers searched about the basic stuff of the cosmos. Thank you so much, and I hope you have learned a lot.